Hello friends, today I am going to discuss a summary of the voter lesson. The voter lesson is written by Chinua Achebe about a poet. Chinua Achebe, born 1930 and died 2005. Chinua Achebe is a renowned Nigerian novelist, poet, professor, and critic. He is a novelist, poet, professor, and critic. He throws light on how democracy works in a newly independent African state in the post colonial period. He throws light on democracy, how democracy works in newly independent of African states in the post colonial. He was saying about democracy, how it works in newly independent African states of colonial period. Colonial period, already have been told you while explaining these lessons. Colonial means which country ruled under by British people. These countries called a colonial. Post colonial means these country got a independent by British peoples, then that country is called a post colonial. So after independent, that country called a post colonial. In that post colonial period, how a democracy works in newly independent African states, that he was going to highlight. He gives a satirical pictures of workings of democracy in the village of Umofia. He gives a satirical pictures of working of democracy. A satirical pictures of working of democracy. Satirical means very different types of trouble, difficulties. What's corruptions and all peoples are changed their mind. So that it called a satirical pictures on working of democracy in the village of Umofia. See, Umofia under have a 9 village and there Igbo peoples are living. Igbo peoples are living in Umofia village. Rufus Okeke, or in short Ru, one of the fellow called Rufus Okeke. He is the main character of this prose and he is a manipulator, very much clever in manipulating means change the people's mind, manipulating, and as well as he is having a quick decisions. He is having a quick decisions taken, like that person who Rufus Okoeke, in short Ru, was very popular in village because he had come back to his village to guide the Igbo people, even though he had a bright future in a big city of Port Harcourt as a bicycle repairs apprentice. So actually Rufus village is Umofia. There he born due to his for life carrying. He went to the Port Harcourt, the capital city of river state in Africa, in Nigeria. There he was as a bicycle repair's apprentice. After 2 years, he wanted to come back to his native people and to guide Igbo people, because almost all Igbo peoples are illiterate. They don't have any facilities by the government. So he decided to come back to his village after 2 years from Port Harcourt as a bicycle repairs apprentice. He leave these jobs and come back to his village and to guide his Igbo people to give a facilities by government. Roop was in the coming elections. He had become an expert at election campaigning at all levels, village, local, governments or national. And he had become an expert at elections, local government or national government. In both government, he had a expert in elections. Right now, he foresaw that people of Umofia were dissatisfied with Marcus Ebe because he had not got them anything after being elected the previous time. Then he foresaw that the people of Umofia were dissatisfied with Marcus Ebe. Marcus Ebe is a PAP leader, PAP leader, and Roof is working under him as a campaigner, election campaigner. Who Roof is working under Marcus Ebe as a election campaigner, and then he knew that the peoples are becoming against on Marcus, because he had not got anything. He has not given anything to this village after being elected in previous time, in previous year, because in previous elections elected and become a minister of cultures of the outgoing government, and again he wanted to go contest in elections by PAP party, and so at that time he was telling. Marcus Ebe himself had grown wealthy, acquired long cars and built the biggest house in the area. And Marcus himself had grown wealthy, acquired long cars, means 2 cars, and also built a biggest house in that area. There was a private plan to provide electricity to his newly built house, as there was no running water or electricity. See, so he was being elected in previous time, he had not given anything. He has not water pipeline, not given a water or electricity to the village. But after built a big house in that area, and he made a private plan to provide electricity to his newly built house, and also water pipeline to his house, not to the village peoples. Like that he did. He grown himself, not for people. See, after people attended the grand Ozo feast he gave to everyone in his village, they began asking questions and decided to be more careful in the coming elections. So, while opening ceremony of his house, one of the Christians church bishop, at the time he gave a feast to killing the many animals, slaughter many animals, 5 bulls and many countless goats, and given a feast to the people. At the time the people were discussing about that, you have to be careful to give a vote for Marcus. Marcus had a plan for his election, so he drawn 5 months salary in advance and few pounds changed into signing shilling and little jute bags, which he sent with Roop and others on their whispering campaigns. And Marcus had a plan for his coming elections, so he drawn 5 months salary in advance and a few pounds changed into signing shillings and little jute bags, which he sent, because he has advanced 5 months salaries and change the few pounds changed into shillings and kept in the jute bags, little bags, and given to the campaigner, whispering campaigners, Roops and other whispering campaigners, because they are going to and give to the people shillings. That is his intention, that he had a plan and given like that. Roof first addressed a group of elders who were against Marcus. he spoke in favor of PAP, People's Alliance Party. PAP means People Alliance Party, Marcus Party, and placed two silver shilling in front of every elder. And first, Roop addressed a group of elders who were against Marcus in Ijwana village house. In Ijwana house, one of the traditional man's house, a religious man's house. In there, he conducted a meeting and kept two shillings in front of all elders on the floor, not given to in their hand, kept in front of them on the floor, two shillings. One of the elder protested that the money was too less. Roop placed one more shilling on the ground in front of each. The elder did not try to pick up the money, and he gave each one more shilling. If you are interested, then take, or else to go, saying that he didn't care who they voted for him, as he was sure Marcus would win. Anyway, the elders yielded. See, then the one more shillings he kept in front of them. Even though the elders did not pick up the money from that floor, which kept on in front of them. So then again he was keeping one more shillings, means total 4 shillings kept in front of them. Even if you are not ready to that, then you go anyway and vote to anyone. Anyhow, that Marcus would win it. So then he said, when Roop said like that, then the elders are become calm. They think and calm. Yielded means they think calm. Roop had planned his calm, means there he became successful to given money and to take a vote from them and to give a vote to Marcus Ebe. Roop had planned his campaigns for himself every shrewdly. When it was going good, he had taken advantage of it. He had got one of his rich robes from Marcus, availed a special privilege in Marcus' house, like free bottles of beer, and also own a land case only because he was close to Marcus. So one day he was telling in front of the all elders what about his life. He had got one of his rich robes from Marcus' house and availed special privilege in Marcus' house. Means availed special privilege, means whenever he come and go, like that, as a friendly. Who Roop has a friendly with Marcus, means there is no one is asked to him, no one is so whenever whatever he want to go and to take, like that, availed a special privilege in Marcus house, and he takes 5 free bottles of beer and giving, means like that. He went to the and take a free bottles beer, means freely he was going to inside and taking the beer bottles and doing like that. And also he owned a land case. He owned a land case only because he was close to the Marcus. Only because of these things he was because he owned a land case. Due to that land case, some problems were happening about the land. So that land he owned. That comes under to Marcus. Due to that reasons, he was becoming more close to the Marcus. One night, Roop was visited by the leader of the Progressive Organization Party, one of the enemy party, that is called a POP party, means enemies opposition party, POP party. POP means Progressive Organization Party, campaign team. So suddenly one night, one of the Progressive Organization Party's campaigner visited to his house, Roop's house. Madhuka is the POP party leader. And this party was the new one formed by the tribes down the coast and was supposed to have a lot of money. And this POP party founded by Madhuka means Madhuka belongs to the tribes down the coastal people. Tribe downs the coastal peoples. They have a lot of money, and that party is newly founded. The leader came in and without saying anything kept 5 red pounds on the floor. Roop, who had been looking at ceiling till then, he was mesmerized by the pounds. Suddenly the pop party campaigner kept a 5 pounds red notes, 5 pounds red notes in front of a Roo. And Roo, who had been looking at ceiling till then, he has never seen that much amount in his life. First time he saw a 5 pounds, 5 red. So he was mesmerized. Mesmerized means hypnotized. He was mesmerized. He was hypnotized to look down for 5 pounds of red note and become a hypnotized by the pounds, means by the notes, on the assurance of that new wooden league. And then when he has taken the 5 pounds red note from that pop party campaigner who roped, and he told to them no one should leak this matter. Like that they gave a assurance to him. He agreed to support their candidates. The leader made him swear on an E. E, one of the religious people of tribal down coast, one of the high religious fellow. So when he has taken the money, then he took a swear on E people, religious people. Okay. Very soon election day came and Roop became busy advising and urging voters to vote for his leader. When it was his turn to vote, Roop was in fix. So then the next day the elections announced, means election date came, and Roop was became very busy to telling about a vote, to give a vote to the Marcus Ebe, to the PAP party. PAP party's symbol, means PAP party symbol is motor car, and POP, PAP party's symbol is motor car, and POP party's symbol is man's head. Keep in the mind, man's head. So about that, the holding were there, all were holding were there, and cutout means all the see all these things. Even Marcus Ebe also sitting in the car in front of the booth, and Roop was becoming busy to advising to the people to give a vote for the Marcus Ebe PAP party. They were having a symbol of motor car. Like that he was telling, giving advice to the voters. In that duty he was so busy, and then suddenly come to his time to give a vote. Then he was became a confusions. Fixed means became a confusion. Though it was secret ballot and no one would have known, he experienced pangs of guilt. Then though it was a ballot paper was a secret, even though he was becoming pangs. Pangs means suddenly what to do. Is guilty, doing a mistakes. Because he has a trusty campaigner of PAP, means PAP party, that is Marcus Ebe's parties, PAP trusty campaigner. Even though that he was doing a guilty to do a vote for to other people, it is one kind of a guiltiness. So he was becoming pangs. So he could throw out neither Marcus nor Maduka. Finally, he tore the ballot into the two longs along the crease and put one half in each box. He came out feeling light. So what he did, from both sides he took a promise. One is to take a promise from the Marcus Ebe, and another one is the taken a promise by the Maduka's campaigner on E people, he swear on E people. So both promise he kept, and he come to in his mind what to that ballot paper, fold it and tore it in two pieces, and kept in the box each piece. They were having two box. One is PAP party's symbol of motor car box, and POP party's symbol of man's head. In both box he kept each paper, torn the each papers, kept in two boxes. So then come out with feeling light. Thus the smooth operator Roop, who was well versed at electioneering, cast an invalid vote and made a mockery of democracy. He wasted his vote. See, after torn the ballot paper, then automatically that vote is become a waste, invalid. It is a mockery of democracy. It is a cheating of democracy. He wasted his vote. Means when he has taken see, one thing is that some where there is a money, there is a everything. Means no one's follow their ethics and moral. If they looks money, they change their mind. If they looks the money, suddenly change their mind. So likewise happened in his life. When Madhuka's party campaigner visited to his house in night and kept a 5 pounds red note in front of him, then he became shocked and he mesmerized by the pounds, and he promised on people to give a vote to Madhuka. Madhuka, the tribal down coastal people, they are supposed they have a lot of money. Even though that they knew this is the first time they founded this party, they they knew that they won't become elected. Even though they are trying to take a one votes, and next time we will win like that. In that base, they are giving like that amount to the people. So this is the life. So money become a power than moral and ethics. The story is like that. The satirical story, a problematic story. Problematic story. Suppose if you are having any doubt in the summary or in explain the in previous class, you may ask me while I am taking the online class. Okay, thank you one and all.